Hi guys, welcome to Senhi channel. Today I'm going to give you guys a short video about how to screenshot your laptop or desktop screen by using both snipping tools and keyboard. First, uh, how can we do a screenshot with snipping tool? There are two simple steps for you guys to use the snipping tool. First, we search for the snipping tool on search engine here and click and type snipping tool as snipping tool and click on the snipping tool right here and click on news. Then drag our cursor right here to select where we want to do the screenshot on our screen. So that's it, guys. See this let me take another one. See, okay, so we click on news and then we click on select on how big we want to take the picture on our desktop, and that's it. See guys, this is very easy for us to do, and as you can see, this is the first way that I'm showing you how we gonna do the screenshot. So there are another ways that we can also do a screenshot is by using our keyboard. The question is how to do a screenshot with keyboard. Yes, of course it's very easy, very simple. You just press on the window key, let me show you, and the screenshot button at the same time. So I'm gonna minimize this. You can see here on my laptop, this one is a window key, and this one is the print screen key. So we have to click these two key at the same time, and then we will have a picture. For example, I show you, click on the window key and the print screen key. You guys already capture, and I go to see that screenshot on my, see, it's right here. Okay, this is how I do the screenshot on by using the keyboard. Okay, that is very easy for the keyboard, easier than snipping tool. So I think every measure or app have their own way to present to fulfill people's needs. So I don't recommend anything. You can use both of them to whichever suit for your projects, for your work. So that's all for today, and thanks you all for watching. If you want to know more information about how to do anything on YouTube, you can click subscribe, and also you can click to go to see all my video about how to be a YouTuber, and even how to protect your social network, social apps, and even how to solve a laptop brightness issue. So thanks you guys for watching again. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will give you more video on how to based on specifics and criteria that can help you guys make video, learn the knowledge for the job you are doing. Okay, bye bye. See you for the next video.